Class 11-12 differential equation 2x plus y into dy equal to x minus 2y dx. HS 88. Solution. This equation is written here. Now multiplying with dy, here is multiplying by dx, we get this. Now this portion is taken at left portion and 2 is common. Now x dx minus y dy taken at the right side, doing minus here. This will be the formula 2dxy. This is x ds minus y dy. Now integrating both sides, we get 2xy, x square by 2 minus y square by 2 plus c. This is the solution.